city's water pumps. Heading into Labor Day, the region continues to try to get back to normal as donations steadily pour in. There have been several donation sites set up here in Acadiana. Today, drop-offs were welcomed at Lee Goodman Interiors and Physical Therapy Works in Lafayette. Also at the site, Chef Colt Patin served up Cajun dishes, with all proceeds going to gift cards to be sent with a truck of supplies.
I was called on by a couple of families who were affected by the flood, lost everything, and I realized how destructive floods can be and the loss that comes with flood. And so I really felt like this was going to be a great opportunity to give back to those people.